A very happy morning to all my dear children. Welcome back to your computer class. Today we are going to move to part 2 of our video lesson. Okay, we will see the theory as well as the practical. So we were on the chapter number 7, that is Introduction to Excel 2016. Let's move to our part 2. In the last lecture, we have studied tilt ribbons and scroll bars. I have shown you in practical also. As well as I have shown you where is the status bar. Okay. Today, we will just have a quick review in the theory of the status bar. The status bar is present at the bottom of the window, which displays the following. It displays these options, the normal view. By default, a worksheet appears in the normal view. This view shows you all the rows and column in the worksheet. अब ये व्यू हमें क्या दिखाता है? सारे rows और column जितने भी हैं worksheet में, ये view displays it. This view displays that. Next is the page layout view. This view divides the worksheet into pages. Now this view divides, जो हमारी worksheet है उसको pages में divide करता है. We have seen this. Okay. The next one is the page break preview. This view shows an overview of the worksheet with page breaks and tells us how many printed pages would be required to hold all the data in the worksheet. You can adjust the page breaks to increase or decrease the number of printed pages. Now, this view shows the overview of the worksheet. हम कितने pages में इस worksheet का print ले सकते हैं. Now, it gives us the page break preview. Now, for suppose हमारी इतनी बड़ी worksheet है, okay, and it is divided into 2 or 3 printed pages. So, this view gives us an idea into how many pages our worksheet will be printed. Clear कितने pages में हमारी worksheet print होगी? This view gives an idea of that. The next one is a zoom control. You can drag the slider left or right to decrease or increase the zoom. The number to the right of the slider reflects the zoom percentage. Okay, you can increase and decrease the slide. Okay, we will see that. See, this is our Excel sheet. Okay, this is known as a status bar. The first one is a normal view. We are currently working in the normal view as it is being highlighted here. Okay. The next one is the page layout view. See, different दो pages में divide हो गई अपनी. Okay. The third one is the page break preview. Now, as we have typed nothing in this, so it displays like this. But if you are having the data in it, it will display how many pages our worksheet will be printed. One is the zoom in and zoom out option. See, here it is showing the percentage zoom level. Click to open the zoom dialog box. Here we can increase. Okay, we can increase and we can decrease also. As you are seeing, there are changes being made in my worksheet as I am decreasing it or I am increasing it. Is it clear to you, dear children, how you can do this? Okay, understood it very well. The next one we are having worksheet tabs. In Excel 2016, a workbook has tabs for each worksheet that it contains. By default, the tabs are named as Sheet 1, Sheet 2 and so on. I have shown you in the part 1 of the video lesson, okay? You can select the new sheet icon to add a new worksheet. If your workbook has number of worksheets, use the right arrange buttons to view all the worksheet. I will show you this as well, okay? First, see next. Now, let's move on. The next we are having rows, columns, cells and formula bar. Now, the rows are represented, rows represent data horizontally in the worksheet. Horizontally in the worksheet, each worksheet has 10,48,576 rows numbered from 1 to 10,48,576. Now you have to remember the exact number of rows and columns, dear children. Okay. Next one is the columns. Columns represent data vertically in the worksheet. There are 16,384 columns labeled at A, B, C till Z or AA or AB till AZ and so on. Okay. And the next one is cells. Rectangular box formed by the intersection of rows and columns. So we will have a quick recap in the Excel. See, this is the worksheet tab. We are currently working on sheet 1. Okay. And we can add a new worksheet from here. See, it is named as sheet 2, sheet 3 and so on. If we want to work on different sheets, we can add it from here. Okay. Now, these are known as rows. It represented data horizontally. Okay. From like numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, it is having up to 10,48,576 rows. And the data represented vertically. Okay, like this. If I am representing in vertical, downwards I am going. If the data is represented vertically, it is being represented in columns. Okay, columns are named as A, B, C, D and so on. Clear, dear children? Understood it very well? Now, dear children, when see I am working in the fourth A4. Now this particular cell, this particular box is known as cell because it is forming by the intersection of rows and columns. So किससे intersect करके बन रहा है? Rows और columns से intersect करके बन रहा है. Clear? This box is known as a cell formed by the intersection of a row and a column. Clear? Next, we are having the formula bar. The formula bar is made up of two parts, name box and formula box. It displays the data of or formula used in the selected cell. It is used for entering or editing the cell contents. Now, this is known as the formula bar. This is known as the formula bar. This is the name box. See, as I'm moving my cursor, see here you can see the name box. Here you can see insert function formula bar. See, understood where is the formula bar and where is the name box. Okay, see if I am currently working in this cell, the name will be A3. Okay, and the data entered here is 3 like the formula or the data. From here also we can edit it like this. See, understood? Is it clear to you? Next we are having what next we have studied the formula bar. Then the next is the name box and the active cell. I have shown you this. The name box is present on the left of the formula bar. It displays the address of the active cell. Active cell. What is the active cell? A cell with highlighted boundary which is used to enter or edit data in a worksheet. मतलब जिस सेल में हम currently work कर रहे हैं, हम लिख रहे हैं, data type कर रहे हैं, that cell will be known as active cell. Is it clear to you, dear children? Understood the introduction part? Okay. Next, there is a small action time in your textbook on page number 79. I know you will do it after watching the video, okay? You will not keep it aside, okay? Find the odd one out. The first one is worksheet cell slide. Now, in Excel, we have seen a worksheet. We have seen a cell. But have we seen a slide? क्या हमने slide देखा? ऐसा कोई word था slide जैसा? No. So that is the odd one out in A. So in the blank you will write slide. In the same way for option B and C, you will do it, you will find it, read it and do it on your own. I hope you have understood very well the introduction part of the Excel. In the next video, we will be moving to a practical session. So do watch carefully the videos. Practice the practical session. Okay, dear children. We will meet next time with something new in computer. Till then, bye-bye. God bless you all.